I love how we're still just keeping up with the cube. Bro, cubes are fast, you don't even know. A cube briskly getting on the highway is faster than me at wide open. Two combos, one just a sandwich. Okay, thank you. Flat out. This guy's so packing me. Just bump start. What's up, baby? It's fucking VIP. Oh my god. We made it! We only broke down 3 times. It wants to die. My TPS is fucked up. Oh. It won't idle. So the TPS is fucked up to where if you clutch in after like coming from revs, it wants to die. So I cranked it way over, but that caused it to want to die on the highway and lose throttle. It's still cable throttle, right? Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna try bumping the idle up and seeing if that helps. When you drag race, you're gonna want to turn it back the other way so you can go full throttle, right? I mean, you can go full throttle. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just like it won't. Oh, this is the full throttle way. Yeah. God. It's idling now. Idle or something. Yeah, it's hard to get it to idle, but sometimes it does. The most supreme Fitbit, I gotta say. Biggest clout here, that's for sure. I have the nitrous kit in the truck if you want to install it. Oh god. I need to get home. Cut your fuel line in half though. Yeah. I'm already pretty convinced this transmission is falling apart, but well, that's not good. The pilot bearing. Just the bearing. It just makes a lot of noise. Oh, boy. It's fun. I think you can hear it. Watch this. It does that when I push the clutch in. Does it? It's fine. But it's been doing it for the last like 500 miles, so fuck it. Why do you have so many body panels left on your Avalon? They're very thin. So thin. Look, that fender. That's a lot of weight. The back 2 doors. What's the fender doing? The fender, the back doors. What is all that doing there? The hood. The hood. The rear bumper, I think I can sell, so I'm leaving it on. It's like the only body panel, that in the trunk, that I think I can recoup. Yep. That's hilarious. But doors are gutted. It's pretty light. What tires you end up getting? Just whatever's on it? Those are like some shitty Rikens. They're like 300 tread wear. But someone is using the GRM relay shipping system to send those Forge Stars with 315s up north, but he wants me to use them. So I'm going to try fitting those 315s on the front of this. Okay, the fenders are coming off. Well, I've got hammers and stuff, so we'll figure it out. Dude, that fender's not even on there anymore. What is that? I got a solid on there. It's just real fucking. There's zip ties on it. Just get rid of it. Oh, yeah. Should I just park in the handicap zone? Think someone will get pissed? Yes. But it's fucking. It's the challenge. No, I'd park up top.
earlier and just ramp in your braking a little bit.
Okay.
Because it's sometimes it's upsetting the car.
Gotcha.
Oh shit, that thing is.
I'm surprised he's going back out.
He's probably like, I've only got one more run in this thing. I can't let it idle too long.
I would save it for the fucking drags.
Yeah. And then throttle, get on it a slightly like mid corner, kind of keep it steady. Okay. But wait to ramp in, because what you're doing is you're getting on it mid corner. So get back on it, but just to a steady state. Okay. Mid corner, and then don't just ramp it in. Jam it in. It works really well for drifting. So save that for the fun runs. All right. This thing goes though. Appreciate it, man. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright, yes sir. Last yellow. Second. Back up a little. This back? All the way in, yeah. A tenth of a second because I didn't go all the way to the red line in 2. The power curve on this thing drops off so fucking hard. Right. Not bad. That's fucking fun. We're not the slowest thing here, that's good. Oh yeah, brother. Damn it! Damn, this is something hard. I know. Oh yeah. Hey, I beat the Pontiac Vibe though. You did. Oh my god, that was bad. You just went and it just didn't. The clutch does not like this car. That's why it rubber banded like it did. Yeah. 15s, give me 15s! God damn it. Alright. We get the launch right. The launch is so hard. It's like the first one I do, the tires are too cold and I just spin like crazy, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna count for it next time, and I'm gonna launch like 1,000 RPMs later, bog.